it off.
It's off. We're coming now, swing it!
Alright guys, we got to get down on the dock and start catching some bait, and then we'll get our sturgeon poles in the water and see what happens. Alright, so this is what we catch all of our shad on. It's basically just a string with a bunch of little hooks, has this just little plastic thing on there. And yeah, you just jerk it up and down in the water and the shad come and eat it. We thought we had one first cast. Well guys, there's no shad here, so
Yeah.
I hope it just stays like this all day, no tide.
Alright guys, looks like we're just catching shad today.
Looks like there's none here though. We're gonna have to go down to Diblish.
Catching nothing.
Yeah, look at all the boats, dude.
All those freaking salmon fishermen. You got these guys going out there. Shad spot 1 sucked. Now it's time for shad spot 2.
And we didn't bring the other rod, so we can't catch a squall.
We don't even have worms.
Oh yeah.
Like and subscribe so we can buy worms.
Please. I feel like it's falling so slow.
Alright guys, today what we got for bait is a bunch of American shad. Dude, my pull. Anyways, we caught them on a sabiki rig, put it on a tiny pole or something. Right now they're running a lot so we could catch a ton. To rig them up, you take your hook and you try and find the spine, stick it through, stick it all the way through, come back around, try to find the spine again, and usually it'll stay on pretty good. You can also take the tail and tie it about right in here and then stick your hook through the head. This is how we do the casting. Try to get it like 75 feet out there, get it in a deep hole. Let the line out a little bit. It's the bottom. Set your pole down, make sure the line's tight, and I might have a bite.
Alright guys, we're just reeling in right now, checking bait, but figured we'll show you guys the new reel.
Try to get some sunlight. Hold on. There you go.
It's a Shimano. It's pretty nice. I don't know. See how long they last. Dude, I don't think I'm lifting it off the bottom at all. I'm pretty sure it's a huge one.
You want to do the walk back method?
Gonna have to. No way, it's gonna take drag again.
Let's get that shared up.
You guys catch any kinks doing that, or just off
How big you think this one is? Over 6?
I'd say around 6, yeah. Oh, it's going for a freaking run. It's one of the stronger ones I've felt, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Dude, this drag is way better than the other ones. This is a big fish.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I'm so happy you were able to hold the pole.
I know.
What's the counter at?
So it's at 200 yards. I bet once it gets like 80, it's gonna take off again.
Yeah. So what are your guys' guesses on how big it is? Everybody is going to be closest.
I'm guessing it's a 5.5 to 6.
What are you guessing?
73 inches.
73 inches. Yeah, give an inch. Give an inch. Any number of an inch. He's guessing 73.
I'm just gonna guess 6 foot.
Okay.
I'll just wait for them.
What's it at?
77. I don't know. The depth counter keeps doing stupid things.
It seems pretty close.
Yeah. My reel's loosening.
You guys fairly close in here. I don't want to run over your line.
Yeah, we're like right here. You could cut across.
Try to take him this way.
Just like bend your rod down or something when he's. I don't think he's
down.
even close.
It's definitely a strong one, whatever size it is. It's staying down low, so it makes me feel like it's a big one.
Should we have Skylar get the POV of him reaching down there? With the
1 sec, it's about to. It's definitely a big one. Oh, dude, it was right there at the top of the water.
Was it really?
Yeah. It just like took off. Alright, it should be like right here. What's your depth counter? It's accurate.
It's not.
What does it say?
This is at 95.
Oh yeah. I think I just saw its shadow right there.
Oh.
Yep.
Dude, yeah, it's big. Oh,
Dang.
this one's big. Oh my god. It's taking off again.
What I guess 70. You said 73. Skylar said 6 foot. Definitely bigger than 6 foot.
Oh my god.
Do you want to have him take the go? Got it.
Taking off again, bro. Like seriously.
I know. 198, 200.
Is it off?
I think so.
I might not have reset it.
It was right, I think, for a little bit, and then it started doing weird things. It's a good one. That's all that matters.
Definitely.
It's really white. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Like it wasn't dark.
Leave the preview off. That way.
No, it's just loading.
It's massive. Oh my god.
Oh.
That is insane.
It's shark, dude.
This is, oh my gosh.
Dude, this, we're not gonna deal with it.
Dude, this fish is insane.
Oh, I'm trying to bring it right. It's definitely a fat one, bro. Dude, that's got to be like same size as Sam's.
Holy bro.
Yeah, that's a monster. Literal giant.
Go for it. Yeah.
7 foot exactly. There he goes.
Perfect.
And then for me to land, like, imagine I landed the same fish too.
Yeah.
Dude, that would have been.
But of course you didn't.
A mil.
A mil view. 1 mil view. 1 mil viewing.
But you couldn't cut it, could ya? You had to horse it.
I'm talking like ocean ready.
You ain't doing squat with it.
900 yards of wind.
You wouldn't do anything with it.
200-pound mono.
You'd go sturgeon fishing once with us, bro.
What have we caught? 3 right now since we've been there?
Yeah.
My pool's going crazy. Gotta be a sturge sniffing or what? He's just down there giving it a lick. You don't want to bite it.
You just sniffing it?
Yep. You just want to make sure it tastes good. Save it for later.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, look at that too.
Guess your pole had bend like that, huh?
No, mine just gets sucked off.
Pretty
Yeah.
nice. Are you on a big one?
I can't tell yet, huh? It's not fighting, it's just swimming. Hopefully this thing's not.
Hopefully it surfaces in 27.
It might be deep.
Probably another
Oh
5.
my god, bro. I can't tell. I don't think it's that big.
Yeah, it's like right here.
It's just gonna be like a 4-footer.
If that.
It's gonna be so tiny I can get horse this thing.
Maybe it was just coming in. Does Braden hold the record of smallest sturgeon this weekend?
Yeah. Oh no.
God, they look so awesome underwater.
I know.
Even Sam can do better than that.
Are you serious?
Alright. Measure it, Sky.
I'll get a video.
Let's see. You want to release it or
No. I'll get a better POV if you.
Dude, if you want to start flopping. Literally a little over 4 foot.
Yep.
Right at 49 inches.
I'll tell you it's good, dude.
Go for it. Alright, dude, sail that thing. Get it literally as far out as possible. Going for the big sturge.
Oh my gosh. That was 150 to touch the water.
That's pretty good.
Oh, it's decent.
go. Got the golden hour sturgeon on.
Give it a reel in.
Yeah, if you could.
What do you think? Oh yeah.
It's decent, bro. What sucks is that 40-pound is frayed, bro. Oh, it's your 60.
Okay, thank God. Braden, what you guess?
How big do you think? Is it pretty firm?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
gonna say,
guessing 6.5.
I'm gonna say the exact same.
You think
No,
60?
hold on.
Yeah, bro, this is bigger than 60.
72. 72 inches.
Braden.
I'm guessing 75.
How's your reel doing line wise?
Really good. Like I'm straight.
There's some stuff out of the way.
Getting some line back on it.
Sucks is that camera's battery was low.
Yeah,
Get on the other side of me.
battery thing's literally
Other side of
flashing.
me. Please don't jump.
If you think it's gonna jump, I'll aim out there. Just tell me.
I hate it because now that it's turned, bro, it's like, okay, I want to change my guess.
Yeah, it seems easy.
Yeah.
It's insane how strong these fish are.
Dude, yeah.
It's so hard to guess.
I know.
Unless it's literally just a insane monster, like it's impossible to guess. Braden, you sticking with your guess?
Yeah, I can't really change it now.
Yeah.
How much do we all gotta change?
No, I'll stay with my 75.
Yeah, I'm just gonna guess 6.5 solid.
Freaking ran like it was huge.
You guys need a net?
Nah.
Appreciate it though.
Yeah, of course.
You guys get any luck out there?
Nah.
I think this is our 4th one.
Really?
Yeah.
Definitely about to come on here later tonight.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's definitely a log. An actual log.
Yeah. Just a big old stick. Start the horse and moon. How far out do you think he is? He's kind of close. Just bringing him in slow. Oh no, he's trying to run again.
He's
The camera does not like that dart. Potentially the last sturgeon of the trip right here. Oh, hopefully we land it.
just snapped.
I know,
right
one
there.
little pull, like, what are you doing? Stop messing around, Sturge.
Jeez. Oh, dude. gotta be decent, bro. What would you say decent is? Like us, bro?
I say 5 foot plus is a decent sturgeon.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't really complain with 5
And
feet.
if you're getting anything over 6, it's big.
Yeah.
Like the 4-footers, I want to say they're decent, but now that we've caught a lot of them, to someone who hasn't caught a lot of sturgeon, 4 foot's probably good.
Yeah.
But once you've caught a lot, it's like, kind of going for the huge ones.
Man, I wish we could have seen the one that almost sucked your pull in. That thing had to have been huge.
That's humongous.
I can't believe how many times this weekend that's happened to us.
I know. That's
Like
the
my
most it
pole,
happened, yeah.
my pole literally went in the water, gone, had to go buy a new setup. Braden's, he was able to catch it when it was fully submerged. Like, dude.
If I wasn't standing over mine right there, I would have put it in.
Video, a bunch of shorts.
You got it?
Yep, yep.
Stand more.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, but that was.
Oh my gosh. I really hope it's not just wrapped.
You'd be able to feel it now.
I can feel it
If
cutting
it was
against
wrapped.
the scales.
Yeah. Actually, that might be what this one's on right now. Ah, right. Show got something. Now you know the word. Yeah, sure. Well, dang, I was coming. Probably come up.
Oh no. The weight's right here.
Definitely got it.
Dude, why is it fighting so crazy? I think it got scared by the dock and took off.
Now what do you guys think now that we've seen it?
Probably 6 foot exactly.
Decent.
Something like that. I'm thinking yeah, earlier his almost got sucked off the ground. Oh wow. And then the sturgeon broke the line. It's probably like an 8 footer or something. You won't give up. Takes a long time.
I feel like it's always mine that fights so much, bro.
Yeah.
this is a sick angle right here.
Sky, you want to hold my pole?
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.
Alright. And then Braden, get on this side of me.
Left?
Over here. Yep. No. 70, almost exactly 75. It's like 74 and a half.